everyone, this is my 2024 Thruxton RS. After owning 5 Harleys, I wanted something different. I wanted a cafe racer, so I started doing some research and I absolutely fell in love with this Thruxton. I think it is one of the most beautiful motorcycles on the road, and it is absolutely awesome to ride. It comes well equipped straight from the factory. You've got Showa forks in the front, Öhlins rear suspension, Brembo brakes, and a 1200cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that puts out about 104 horsepower and 83 foot-pounds of torque. This thing really moves, and it handles incredibly well. It's light, it's nimble, it is just super, super fun to ride. You really don't have to do much with this bike when you get it, but I did make a couple of modifications. Let me walk you through what I did. So let's start with the grips. So I added these Matone brass grips that not only look great, but they're also super functional. They're 500 grams a piece, so a little over a pound. They take all of the vibration out of these clip-ons, which was an issue with the stock grips. I also added these Matone bar end caps to cap off the brass look up top. I swapped out the levers for ASV levers in black. I did a shorty brake lever because I'm a 2-finger brake person, and I did a standard length clutch lever. If I had to do these levers over again, this is exactly what I would do. I love this setup. I put a yellow film on the headlight by Laminex. Very inexpensive, easy install, and I think it improves visibility a lot. On the front fairing, I replaced the clear windshield with the Triumph factory custom tinted windshield, and I also swapped out the stainless fasteners for these black fasteners. I installed these analog cycles indicator pods in the front to replace the large corncob bullet-shaped indicators that come from the factory. I replaced a lot of the engine covers with these Matone brass covers. I also powder coated the heel guard brass to match. I installed a Quadlock stem mount so that I could have my phone right below the gauges. I installed this brass gauge cover as well. I added these brass bobbins, which obviously hold the bike up on a paddock stand, but they also make a great place to mount a camera. The exhaust on this bike is a Zard 2-in-1. I think an upgrade to the exhaust is important on this bike. The factory exhaust just does not have a good sound. Two things on this bike that I think are real requirements. One is this front fairing. I do see a lot of Thruxtons out there without the fairing, but I think it just really makes the look of this motorcycle. And if you do put the front fairing on, you should know that you can use the stock clip-ons that have the couple of inches of rise on them instead of the clip-ons that come with the fairing. Triumph will tell you that it doesn't work, but it absolutely does. So if you want to keep the stock slip-ons on, you should just insist that they do it. It works. The other aesthetic upgrade that I think is important is cleaning up the rear fender with this tail tidy. There are a few brands out there that make them, but I think it's a big improvement to the aesthetics of this bike. On the left side of the bike, I added this bag by Bad & G Customs. I like to have bags on all my bikes, and this is perfect for taking a few things along with you for the ride. My license plate, of course, is painted by plate makers. This bike gets a lot of attention. Every time I ride it, someone stops me and asks me a question or gives me some sort of compliment, just like this guy. Showa on the front.
Oh, Showa and the Harleys on the rest?
Yeah.
You're good, man.
Thank you. So if you're thinking about a Thruxton, or if you're on the fence, I say go for it. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.